In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find anything using Spotlight search on your Mac. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe down below. So you're going to find the little icon for Spotlight search right here at the top. And now here you can absolutely write anything you need from your Mac and it's going to show it to you. So let's say you need a document. The only thing you need to do is to type in some of the words or the names that you remember from the document, and it's going to automatically show you all the PDF documents or documents that you have under that name. But that's not the only thing that you can do with Spotlight search. You can even use it as a calculator. So you can just type in whatever mathematical question that you have and it's going to give you an answer. Another thing that you can do using Spotlight search is conversion. So you can just simply type in 100 USD to euros and it's going to show you the conversion as well automatically. So anything you need, any shortcut that you want from your MacBook, you can just open Spotlight search and it's going to give you an answer. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye.